7 umetnic, več kot 10 inštrumentov in izjemna mešanica glasbe, igre in čustev. To so Dah Daughters, v prvi vrsti igralke in članice ukrajinskega glasbenega in gledališkega ansambla, ki na gledaliških odrih skupaj ustvarjajo že 15 let, v omenjeni zasedbi pa od leta 2012.
Before we made this group, Dah Daughters, we long time play in the theater, in the lot of performance, and after we have some strange situation, all guys who play in the theater say goodbye, and we stay alone, and we made new performance, and Anya say, oh, we can play alone, we can play only girls,
like
and we
girl band, something like that.
In tako se je vse skupaj začelo. Njihovi nastopi so teatralni in na publiki pustijo trajen vtis.
Sometimes we call us some political diplomatics, not art diplomatics, because
like cultural diplomacy.
Yes, cultural diplomacy, because now in Ukraine we have a war, and we have a very bad time now, very strange, very difficult, and for us it's very important. And we go around the world and say about this also.
We want that people know something different also, not only bad image of our countries that we have war. We are not, как это сказать, жертвы?
Not victims.
No, not victims. We have
can
our
be
power,
yes.
our beauty, and we want to share it.
Yes.
We want to tell the truth. We want to share our truth with the people about our country in which we live, how we live there, and about the world, and maybe also we want to speak about this world which we would love to build together in future to make it a better place for everybody.
Pojejo v več jezikih in narečjih in tudi če poslušalci jezika ne razumejo, lahko začutijo, o čem govorijo besedila.
With hearts, with souls, of course people will understand our energy. We really hope so. It always works.
Sometimes on festival we didn't have possibility to have subtitles or video, and we just playing like that.
And I have all time when somebody asked about that. I remember when I was young girl, I listen all time some French music, Edith Piaf. I don't understand nothing what she say, but I very good feel. And I think it's if you good actress, if you want to share the truth, energy, everybody understand what you say.
Yeah, because the art is universal language, and especially music. So, and theater also, and we are a theatrical musical band, so we speak on this language with everybody, with people all over the world.
Izražajo se skozi igro in glasbo, ki je mešanica ukrajinske ljudske glasbe z elementi roka, punka in repa. Z ljudmi želijo deliti tisto, kar se je dotaknilo njih samih.
We used some very good famous poetries, not only Ukrainian and English,
Shakespeare, Bukowski, from
all over the world.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we have very different kind of texts with which we work, because we have very different topics on which we talk. But all of them are very important for us. In our art, we try to talk about something which is touching our hearts, which is important to share it with the public all over the world. So we start from very archaic classic, from archaic folk music, folk stories, and we go through all these, history of the humanity, and we start with something very contemporary, something very modern, and something very actual for everybody in the world, for all people of today.
Poslušalce želijo navdihniti in jih spodbuditi k razmišljanju.
We don't only just music for
dance.
For fun, yes.
For fun.
We have a deep things, and we want to speak with public
people about
dance.
serious things.
Yes, and we want to ask. Maybe you want to ask something also.
Together with us.
Yes, together with us.
And of course we want to give them good energy, good mood after the show, even though some compositions are very serious, but still the line is optimistic. So we want to give them our energy, and we want to represent to everybody the contemporary, modern Ukrainian culture.
Preden si obraz pobarvajo z belo barvo, tako kot je bilo to nekoč značilno za igralke v nemih filmih, in preden stopijo na oder, si vzamejo nekaj minut in opravijo ritual, ki pa je skrbno varovana skrivnost.
We really do have it. It's very important, but we can't.
We have some words,
we,
what we
we
say,
have to and
or-
what we do, but we have to keep our secrets.
Yes.
Because it's the magical secret part before the show.
Sorry, guys.
Na odru pa skrivnosti ni. Tam so iskrene, izžarevajo pogum in moč, ki jo je občutila tudi publika blejskega festivala Okarina.